So friends, how to see the long-term imprisonment yoga in Vedic astrology. Now when I say being imprisoned, so like there have been those instances where the freedom fighters have also gone to the prison. So whatever could be the reason, but you need to have that combination in your chart which can drive you in that direction. So generally the houses which are responsible for that are 6th house, 8th house and the 12th house. 6th house is the house of the litigation, of enemies. 8th house is the house of the hidden scandals, conspiracy, punishment. And 12th house is the house of the long-term confinement, imprisonment. And the planets which are responsible for that are, beyond any doubt, Saturn, which represents justice, karma, Mars, which also represents aggressive actions, and Rahu and Ketu in certain cases where people have been wrongly implicated in a case. That generally happens because of the involvement of the Rahu, and because of the Ketu can actually make someone a dreaded criminal, like all the serial killers you will generally find because of the involvement of the Ketu in the chart. So guys, and for these things to happen, like the long-term imprisonment cannot happen if the ascendant lord is not allowing that. So ascendant lord making any connection with these houses, activated dasha is indicating that your 6th lord is in the 12th, ascendant lord is in the 12th, 8th lord is in the 12th, and Saturn is transiting over there. Dasha is promising that. So combining everything, all these elements, it can indicate towards long-term imprisonment yoga.